There might be situations when you want the scale for strokes and corners enabled or disabled. The following steps will show you from where to enable or disable the scale option. If you miss the properties, go to the Window tab and make sure Properties is checked. If there is no object selected, the scale options will show up in Properties under Preferences. If you have an object selected, you need to click on the three dots under the Transform panel. The last location where you can find the option is at the Edit tab under Preferences. Click on General. The options will be under the General tab. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.